Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about the Google Pixel 3a. So I have this phone for almost 2 years now and it worked as a charm. It served the purpose. It's a good phone. It didn't let me down whatsoever. I must say I have it cracked right there, unfortunately. And when I went to the repair shop, they told me that I can replace that screen for 200 euros. So that was a bit crazy. I didn't do that, obviously. I let it like that, but still, even with that crack, the screen looked amazing. So the display brightness is now all the way up and I'm now in a very lighted room. That's the reason why it doesn't show its true colors. But if you are in a dark room somewhere, you will definitely have a beautiful screen. It's not the greatest screen that you can get on a phone, but it is a 5.6-inch OLED with a 441 ppi, which means that in every inch you have 441 pixels. That's amazing. That means that the colors, if you're playing games or I don't know, watching videos on this thing, you will have amazing image. Well, I must say, let's see how the camera looks like. It is a good camera. Obviously, it's not the greatest camera, as you can see here. It is very snappy, but if you are somewhere in low light, you might have hard times capturing a good quality picture. So you can shoot in 4K. Obviously, if you want to switch over to video, you can just tap here and now you have this 4K image. What I do like about this phone is that whenever you switch over to video, it changed the resolution of that screen. So you don't have to do it yourself. I mean, obviously the iPhone has that too, but yeah, it's a kind of cool detail. So like any phone nowadays, it has a back and a front camera. If you want to switch over to a front camera, you just have to tap here. And now you see me filming with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, I should say that front camera is not that great. Obviously, my screen is a bit filthy, so that's the reason why you see some kind of glare over it. But still, it's not the very best camera. But you can make video calls, Zoom meetings, and all of that on this phone without worrying about the quality of your image. So let's switch over to the back camera and talk about where you can get this phone. Well, this phone now, I saw this phone listed for about 350 bucks, but there was one lister that listed this phone for about 160 bucks. I should add that you should be careful with that because most of those phones are don't support any carrier. So those phones are mostly locked. You should look for an unlocked phone to be safe and to know that you can just have any SIM card working on it. So yeah, actually that's it. I should say it's a good phone. It has this Touch ID on the back, so you can unlock this phone with this Touch ID by touching on it. It works very great, or you can just have it unlocked with your passcode. You can also support USB-C as expected, and it has a headphone jack, which is also very cool. So yeah, that's actually it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.